Carry something for you. Me carry bun and cheese for you.
Yeah, oh, love. Come here, say me no get nonsense.
You not get none?
Very nice the way you have.
I the first me.
Yeah, never.
I the first me I go get it now. Then why when me run ya? If me no do it, so me can't, when me get rid of Jamaica, it's low and a fry. And me can't get all I way, me can't get the other station them. Yeah, and since people run them, man, me get every, I 18 different stations me get, you know. Yeah.
Whoa. Yes. So right about now, I get the bun and cheese. Get a wheat bun, yeah. And I get a wheat cheese too. I'll show you how I go on. Wheat cheese. Joke. This is the bun that I got. Yeah, so this is wheat bun. Yeah. Bun. And this is the cheese. Yeah. One thing. So I carry film package with me one thing. You know how?
Yes, man.
How? Yeah. It's no la data.
Yeah.
Carry something for you. Me carry bun and cheese for you.
Yeah, oh, love.
Yeah. I get a knife.
Because me I said me no get nonsense.
You not get none?
Very nice the way you have.
I the first me.
Yeah, never.
I the first me I go get it now.
First I go get it now.
Yeah, me I want knife. I mean I know if you can't cut butter.
Let me go wash you.
Yeah.
God, a biscuit. Yeah, a beer in a fall, a beer in a. Yeah, rain a fall above beer, man.
Them always stand down there and look up here and see the little cloud. Rain a fall, country not go there. like say down in the country too.
I tell you.
Yeah, man, when they
You
come
want to
up,
Portland a country.
me always hear them, you know, when they come up across the train line there. And look and see the cloud and see the vehicle. Go side and see the vehicle when I come from up here wait.
Yeah.
Rain that country. You know what? No, me no remember your name, you know.
Well, my name Shana.
Me thank you, love. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're not afraid of the camera. I tell me a vlog. If you're alright with it, you may talk then.
Me?
Yeah.
You put me on camera?
That me ask them if you're alright with it.
No problem.
Oh, alright. That the bun here a wheat bun, you know.
Okay, whole wheat. Are the right one for me?
Alright one for you. Yeah, man.
You one man attack over here, just say,
So undo
they bun them no my dear, them no nice like first time bun. When then they use wet sugar.
Yeah.
You don't know them this.
I don't know them
Yeah,
sitting there.
all day I don't know it.
No.
With sugar. They have sugar mill. And man plant cane locally.
Yeah.
And mill the cane and boil some big copper when them boil it in. And wet and stay like when you cook rice.
Yeah.
And you know dry. And so it's and call it wet sugar and carry market go sell.
Oh. Then time me no exist up yet.
Teeth,
No man, that time, thanks. The time of your grandmother that a darky born then time there. How she was she was one children? Well, 83, 84.
Yeah, me think the boy 85.
Okay.
Boy, about 85 man. So you are old now. I laugh.
October gone, me last October gone. Like me full 87.
Okay.
So me gone 6 months in a 88 now. From October till now, no 6 months. Me gone halfway in a 88. October coming me full 88. God, yeah. Me life.
Don't drink, sir.
Yes. Yeah, man, this tastes good.
It tastes good. Me never eat the wheat one yet still.
It tastes good.
Oh, it tastes good.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
it tastes good now. Some of the other ones, they're good sweet and light, but it's heavy.
Yeah, tido.
Yeah.
It's a strong.
That's everybody say, you know.
She got some more other biscuit to see also.
Good.
Mm-hmm. Those there, me I say, me do one doing a holiday party, you know, but show me busy up.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know, but get fit with it.
And time for hustle, you know.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Me say, even though I pass,
Yeah.
God, just what do you?
Yeah.
Not gone far.
but the bone them still a sell.
True.
And they have to sell.
But
People still a buy.
Then they shop.
But so for me tell you, say, my sister will live doing the park with that. Edna. Uno auntie.
Yeah.
Always live doing the park. You know what?
No, I think me only hear the name, me never know she.
See her son was named Richie, his last boy. When he married, that time, middle day at university go operate from Alsassumo.
Okay.
And me not we go figure because me in a sick man. So when me get better now and go over there, the guy, the girl did it in a yard to them, and then me was about to go to parents in America. And the guy say, all right, uncle, you know there when me married, man. The guy go to the restaurant and buy a big white cake.
So you never get no that with the cake.
And the man buy 4 beer and put this on the table before me.
Yeah.
And he go in the fridge and he take out one bottle of wine. And he take out, and the man go to the restaurant and make one sit in a curry goat and rice. Put the for me. And turn on the video.
Yeah.
When they married and I show me.
Oh, so you eat the cake and watch it.
Is your daddy wedding now? Your daddy wedding.
No.
What is it? Yeah, man. I don't know, tell man that girl apart. And he married again.
Oh. I saw live thing going on. Yeah, man. I say I go so my time, man. Yeah. I go see if I can get one ready.
Yeah, man.
Cause I can't get none like them there still.
Make my mind while you mean to say
Show him how to turn it on and turn it on.
Once you set the station and it just turn on and turn on.
where you use the battery.
Yeah.
When I use battery or whether I use battery use. This use
Yeah, I
battery.
plug in that one, you know?
Yeah, this use
Yeah, man.
this use 3 battery, you know.
I use 3 battery.
3 flashlight.
Otherwise,
Big big flashlight.
current gone and use the battery.
Yeah. Then to change the station and no problem to me, you know.
Oh.
Because you see me know the program them were gone.
Yeah.
And anytime me turn it on and so whap and me hear a certain type of program a go on, me turn it to the other one. Because me, right now me know say I rape him and then you have power 106 sideway and turn to go more you have G105 and then you have 104
So which one?
BBC. Me find anyone me want find.
Yeah, so which one of them I really more listen to?
Me listen to Radio Jamaica.
See, your man and sister used to listen more to, you know.
Yeah.
PRJ.
Yeah. Yeah.
PRJ, you know.
Yeah. It was RJ, but then they drop off one of the R.
And drop off one of the R.
Because the other R they stand for Radio Jamaica and Radio Fusion. But Fusion not there again.
Oh.
You know what was Radio Fusion? Not even they don't know. Radio Fusion was a box with a speaker.
Yeah.
And the wire run from the radio station come to it. And then charge you. They have some small one, $10. No dollar them time there. Then the time of pound and shilling days. And then charge you 10 shilling a month.
Yeah.
And they have a big one about so. And charge you 18 shilling a month. And you can play that from morning till night, till daylight and night come again. Straight, you know, have it on the app.
Yeah.
If you want, if you want.
Okay.
I want to say when the station sign on, sign off, he gone and he sign on. But radio station, Radio Fusion, they call it.
Oh.
Okay. After all now, they have radio rental.
Radio rental.
Yes, they pay 2 and 6 pence a week.
2 and 6 what?
2 and 6 pence.
Pence?
Yes,
pence.
that time I pound and pence days.
But me never hear that one day. Me only hear shilling. Shilling or what other one name?
When you say 2 and 6, that means that 2 shilling and 6 pence.
Oh.
So you then just call it 2.
Shilling and pence.
Then
there.
Yeah.
You didn't know them then?
No, me don't know me hear about them.
Oh God, me don't go hear about shilling.
Hold on there. We have know something to talk about.
Hey.
Because we don't know something with the name Chiga. We borrow 2 and go in.
Yeah.
And make one bag and lay egg in there. You see some little white. You see like how lice, headlights have a white knit there?
Yeah.
I saw it here. Chiga knit. He peeing out of this world. He crotch, peeing, he crotch. He touch all of your toe them. And that side of your foot or so. And right round your heel or so.
Yeah.
So, he send a heap of people to hospital. Because they can't walk. Chiga.
So how that catch people?
It's a fine flea.
Oh.
We find a dog flea.
Oh.
And it bore your flesh, you know.
Organ in your flesh.
Yeah. And that time most people are walk barefoot.
Oh.
And you see the few people who could have judge shoes and wear boots. Them have to throw one insect powder in the boot when them have put here.
That's in a crawl in there.
Yes. Me say, he nearly kill we. Man.
So you ever catch her yet?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. He crotchy pain. And I tell you, Banga school.
Yeah.
Up in the church, so they used to keep the school before they build school.
Yeah.
Because I was just there at school bill. Because you should have known too. And Banga school and church. It was board floor.
Okay.
And you see the dust, the fine dust we underneath the ground.
Yeah.
That hinder them breed up. Man, he nearly killed people down there, man. Yeah. Yes. He nearly killed people in a school. They have to make up one big board out down at the ball, down at the bench, down you know. And that's how we used to playground first, you know.
Yeah.
Because the whole of Banga school playground that time, I guess so. But you know, full of beer tomb now and sitting. And then them are buried dead now. And through the land belong to the church.
Yeah.
So And then make up a big boot down there with coat, touch it with coconut limb.
Yeah.
And then now we keep the school in there so. And the man then get to work man and lick out the board flooring and dump you up and can't see. At that time I go to school. You know Miss Carby way up there?
You only know that name there?
The school principal man. Me and I go to school, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, me and I go to school. All them people there. Yeah man. What heap of them man. I one guy named Linton Dunbar, then call him Linty.
Yeah.
Me and my schoolmate, them over there. I must young him. And few more left. Cause the whole of the other one ended up. Yeah, man, the whole party boy them we go to school up there and dead up.
Just like most of them dead out too. I can barely find no hell for even all the reasoning with like how we all are reason with there now.
Where in a say?
Inside of people are long live people.
Yeah.
That me realize.
Yeah, because I one grandmother me know, you know, me no grandfather at all.
Oh.
And one grandmother me know that my daddy mother.
Yeah.
And she live on the dad. Yeah. She don't know how our fridge look like, you know. Our radio. It got drop out. I put them wires in it there to catch you up that me not drop out. Cause it could, one at a time he couldn't stay in at all.
Cause too slack.
Yeah.
So you fix up the radio.
Yeah.
So why are it up?
Yeah.
You might want electrician.
And you see them wire when me run there. If me not do it, so me can't, when me get radio Jamaica, it low and a fry. And me can't get all the way from me can't get the other station them. Yeah, and since people run them, man, me get every 18 different stations me get, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man.
Yeah, count them.
Yeah, man.
Go see if we can get one different radio because it but not drop out.
Yeah.
You tell me about my mother where day me feel a way, you know. You tell me how mommy used to go and check him, you know, man. Me I say, touch me, you know.
Yeah, man.
I sit me, you know. Touch me, man.
Give me all one thumb with that over me.
Yeah. Boy, you have good memory, man.
Yeah.
As well, because there are other
I'm going to left for you now still, so.
Cook all hockey
continue to become
and rice, kakon.
Kakongio. Yeah.
salary negotiation.
I'm a man like hockey, you know.
You like hockey?
Yeah, man.
Cloud those things.
Okay, them kind of get a beat up here from the rain from
Yeah,
but we
me
still
know.
go get some though.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So me I go run left for you now till one next time, you know.
Yes, God bless. God
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, blessing God. Yeah, so it was a good vibes. You don't know the thing, go. Yeah, man, it was a good vibe. Big up all the viewers, big up all the subscribers and thing. Yeah, man, so I promise I'm going to get him a radio because radio when him have whole heap of concoction go on, you know, whole heap of wire him have wire. So I try to see if I can get a radio for him.